Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can whiten teeth in Photomator. So let's get straight into it. Now open up your photo where you want to whiten teeth and go here to the edit. Now we will select here a new layer, which will be the brush, just like that. Alright, now what we need to do is simply zoom in here to the teeth of this girl here, and what we are going to do is simply brush here through the teeth, right, something like that. I didn't do that now really accurately, but try to do it that you don't do something on the lips and so on. And now what we are going to do is simply, now we go here to the color balance or selective color right here, but let's try here on color balance. And yeah, what we are going to do here, we will just move this slider up and down, as you can see, and if we go up we will whiten the teeth just like that. Here on the left, as you can see, you can also tweak a little bit that it feels naturally, because you can see this is too much and this one is also too much, so something like that, like so. And you can also add a color, but for the teeth is not that important, so we will leave it as it is. Now here on selective colors you will see how your teeth looking. So after that you will select the color and then you will adjust right here how you like it based on your feeling, and just like that you will whiten the teeth. So this is basically it, how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.